Alright, we're going to talk about using corresponding parts of congruent triangles. There's one more part of this you can add. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. And you'll see the abbreviation CP, CT, C. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So here I'm giving you triangle ABC is congruent to MNO. So we've done this before, we'll do it again. We're just going to do corresponding parts. We'll start with the angles, that's usually the easiest. So angle A is congruent to angle M. We're just matching them up. Angle B is congruent to angle N. Angle C is congruent to angle O. Then do the sides. So AB is congruent to MN. BC is congruent to NO. And then CA is congruent to OM. Alright, we're just going to go over a few more just to kind of recap and refresh your memory of how triangles are congruent. So in this I have X is congruent to Z angles, ZW is congruent to XY, and Y is congruent to W. So that's angle, side, angle. So this is proved by angle, side, angle. And to name the triangles, we would say triangle XYW is congruent to triangle. So we started at the X, so we started up here with that 1. So we're going to start there at the Z. And we went to the Y, so the 2. So we're going to go ZWY. Almost wrote that wrong. There we go. ZWY. Alright, next we're given that side DA is congruent to BC, and then angle C is congruent to angle A, and then we know AC is congruent to CA because of the reflexive property. So we know this is congruent by side, angle, side. And then to write the statement, we would say triangle BCA is congruent to triangle. Again, look where we started. We started right here at the B. So we're going to start at D and go along the 1 and then down. So it's going to be triangle DAC. Make sure you're getting those in the right order. Alright, one more. So we're going to prove this. So I know that ZW is congruent to YX. I know WY is congruent to XZ. And then I know ZY is congruent to YZ because it's the same line, which means it's the reflexive property. So this is true by side, side, side. That's how I just proved it. And then to write our statement here, triangle, let's go with WYZ is congruent. So I started at the W up here, so I'm going to start at the X. So triangle X, and then I went down along the 2 line, and then across to the 3 line. So I went this way. So it's going to be XZY.